It's a certified 2016 BMW 3 Series. Epitomizing high performance, legendary design, and luxury, the iconic 3 Series serves as the benchmark of the segment it invented. 2016s received mild exterior styling updates, interior trim enhancements, and tweaks to the suspension and steering for better handling precision. And it comes with all the amenities you need: streaming audio, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, driver memory seats, rear wheel drive, auto dimming rear view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Car and Driver writes, "So far, the engine's willing thrust and the transmission's wieldy flexibility have been a joy to exercise." With an intelligent approach to engineering and legendary design, it's no wonder it's the most popular in BMW's lineup. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.